Namaste Krishna, happy Krishna Janmashtami to all. On this auspicious day, I am gonna give you the real true definition of what is love and what is the purity in that. So because I don't think there is any other day better than this to explain, because the bond, the love they share between each other, Radha Krishna, is like, like no one can explain that. But we learn a lot of lessons from them. So I would like to give just a glimpse of it. In one word, if I want to say Radha Krishna's bond, they are nothing but one soul in two forms. Yes, because in a river, if we see ourselves, like the shadow will be ours, right? But when Radharani sees the river, the shadow will be of Shri Krishna's, and when Shri Krishna sees the river, the shadow will be of Radharani. Second thing is, when we chant Krishna's name, we don't say Shri Krishna, we always say Radha Krishna. And you can ask me when and how did this came. Shri Krishna is the one who told that whenever you're going to chant my name, you have to chant Radha's name first. So we always say Radha Krishna, and like unknowingly it comes to us, like we are very habituated to it, Radha Krishna. Krishna gives a message that without Radha, Krishna is nothing. Like how beautiful it is. And even in today's world, we should be like that. We should always support each other's decision. Third thing is, I'm going to narrate a little story for you. Like from this, you'll be like very surprised like me, how I was when I heard this for the first time. Krishna was having a very severe headache one day, and all the people of Vrindavan, including Yashoda Mata, all his close friends, his close people came, and like they tried to take that headache out. But Krishna replies that from this all methods, my headache is not gonna come down. Only a water which is collected in the sieve can make my headache down. And everyone will be like, what? In sieve we cannot collect water. But Krishna tells that only a woman who is, whose heart is filled with pure love can do this. And every woman tried that in Vrindavan, but when Radharani comes, she collected water in sieve. Like, can you imagine water will be collected in a sieve? Like, practically it is impossible, but she actually collected it, and when she come near Krishna and she cured the headache, like, look at the purity. Radha Krishna, like it is a very inspirational message which we should include in our daily life and try to spread the love, because that is what Shri Krishna always tell you. Have to deal anything with love, and love has the power to change everything. Krishna also tells that Radha cannot be separated from Shri Krishna and Krishna cannot be separated from Radha, because anything can be separated only when the two things are joined. And as I told, Radha Krishna are not different, and spread the love with love. Thank you so much for watching. Radhe Radhe.